Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new lesson, Image in Plane Mirror. We are going to discuss some important feature or important characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror. You use daily plane mirror at home and you see your clear image in plane mirror, and you may have noted some of its characteristics. It is maybe your common observation that you have observed. So these characteristics I'm going to shortly discuss with you. Image is of same size as that of object. If you see in the figure, that object is in front of a plane mirror, and the size, its two sizes are there, its height and its width. Whatever the sizes of the object, its height and thickness, the same sizes of image will be formed behind the mirror. So image will have the same height and same thickness inside the mirror. Second, it is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means that left side of object appear as right side of image behind the mirror, and the right side of image appear as left side of image behind the mirror. For example, if you place your right hand on the mirror, image will place his left hand on the image. So on the mirror. So this type of the inversion inside the mirror, plane mirror, is called laterally inversion. So we call it is laterally inverted. Next one, it is virtual. That image which cannot be taken on the screen, that image is called virtual image. On the other side, one is real image. Real image is that which we can take on screen, like image formed by the videos or the projectors on cinema hall screen. So that type of the image which can be taken on screen, that is called a real image. Whereas plane mirror, it forms virtual image because we can't take that image on screen. Next is, it formed behind the mirror at the same size, at the same distance as that of the object in front of mirror. If you see the figure, that the distance of image, distance of object and mirror. If object is in front of the mirror at 2 feet, 3 feet, whatever the distance between the object and the mirror, the same distance the image will be formed behind the mirror. So this is the last characteristic that we learned, that image formed behind the mirror at the same distance at whatever the distance is between the mirror and object. Thank you and God bless you.